Local scenery, often referred to as Romeo Nacido, has consistently been a part of the intriguing and curious community. This is the primary reason why he is enthusiastically desiring to investigate and discover the surroundings, even though it involves controlling a remotely located aircraft. However, this flight is destined towards the northwest, near the village known as Benetag and Ligao, or perhaps the very location that was once densely planted with bananas. The flight is now steadily getting closer, as the place has been cleared of tall trees and lush coconut trees, allowing the high-voltage electrical cable to make its way safely, supplying vital current to towns and cities throughout the southern regions. What we are about to witness is indeed the remarkable East Pacific Star Bottlers Philippines, regarded as one of the most prominent and largest bottling companies operating in the region. What we are currently witnessing is the comprehensive service road of this gigantic bottling company. This service road is seamlessly connected to the R26 highway, extending towards the southern part of the area. This drone flight is reaching its end here. It's absolutely crucial for it to return home towards the southeastern part of this location. I appreciate you all for the enjoyable flight with me today. We'll be looking forward to seeing you again next time.